Hi, everybody. How are you? It's Teacher Yanni. I hope everybody's having a great day. Good afternoon. So let's start learning, everybody.
Hello
So let's
song.
start by the lesson by listening to a song. Here we go.
Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello.
So this is the story we're going to learn today. It's called Jack's Birdhouse. We have 8 vocabulary words we're going to learn. Birdhouse, second, ruler, pencil, nails, wood, fourth, third. Let's read the story together. Jack's Birdhouse. Jack wants to build a birdhouse. He gets some wood. He gets some nails and paint. His mom helps too. She gets a saw and a hammer. She gets a pencil and a ruler. Jack draws his birdhouse. They build it together. Then they hang it up in a tree. A bird goes into in the house. A second bird goes in. A third bird goes in. A fourth bird goes in. Jack and his mom look at each other. They need a bigger birdhouse. So let's answer the questions about the story. So, what does Jack want to build? He wants to build a... Who helps him? Where does he put the birdhouse when he's done? And I want you to draw a birdhouse. What would it look like? And write 3 things Jack used to make his birdhouse. So this is your homework. It's due Tuesday. So these are the vocabulary words that we learned in our lesson. Birdhouse, second, pencil, nails, ruler, wood, fourth, and third. I would like for you to write these in a sentence. Since we're learning about a birdhouse, what would it be? What would you use your pencil for? I used my pencil to draw a birdhouse for my homework assignment. There is one vocabulary word that I gave you to use in a sentence. And that will conclude our lesson, team. I hope everybody stays safe and has a wonderful, great day. Thanks, everybody. And most of all, ho, 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 Merry Christmas! Suksan One Christmas.